Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to taxi to a stand after landing and how to do the shutdown, like the shutdown the aircraft. So last video I showed you how to land it and vacate. In this video I'm going to show you how to taxi it to the stand. So let's go. So put it to about 40%. You can locate where you're at right now. So I can see I'm in the north part of the airport, I think. So we're gonna go to a stand not so near us. Okay, so let's see where the nearest where a stand we could go, which is not so near us. So just accelerate the power a bit more. Okay, ground speed is increasing. We can make a turn. So we're going a bit behind the line. Then we can find some parking stands. Okay, I think we found some stands. We're going way too fast. I don't know. I'm not trying to take off, bro. Okay, so Charles back all the way. What is that? Doesn't even work, bro. Okay, so we'll stop here, or otherwise we'll kill ourselves. Up to about that. Then we'll start the turn, which actually will beat that car. Actually, okay, never mind. Car, you can go quick. What the hell is it even turning for? Okay, we have blocked him, so we're gonna go with that gate, so we better align up with that white thing, because this is the main terminal of Delta, bro. That's the plane we're flying today. Delta's warehouse is right there, so we're gonna park here over here. We're gonna line up with this line. We're actually just going to power back a bit, and then okay, right there, and then just turn. Okay, just block that right there, and then power up a bit more. You can use the outside view right now, but I prefer you practicing it without it. I'll just show you it right now, how to do it with the outside view. So the outside view, you need to add a bit less power. Okay, so you see, we always go at about a 45-degree angle. So if there's any mistakes, we can just like a crosswind landing, you know. Okay, so we're lined up with the parking stand, I believe. So now we'll just stop here actually, and then we'll add more power and line it up with the stuff, so we can go outside again. Okay, we can go a bit forward for the middle gates. Okay, so we're standing that boarding bridge needs a lot of time to actually connect to this one, I guess. Oh shoot. Why the hell is it not stopping? Okay, so I guess we parked it, but we can apply the parking brake. Then the first thing we need to do for the shutdown, which I'm going to show you right now, is to turn off the transponder and turn off the engine cutoff. So that cutoff, you see everything's rolling back. Those are at auto. You might just want to switch the APU on, just because you might get a lot of fuel pumps goes off. Landing lights, I'll show you the landing lights actually. They just came on. Just pull them on. They're right there. There. You can't really see it that well. I'll turn on the turn off lights. You can see it better. Also, okay, that caution does nothing. That's bright. We're gonna go see that right now. You can't really see anything if it's not dark, so I don't care. So just everything, just all the lights, just turn it off, because you don't mean to actually turn it on always. Okay, so turn it off, all of them ones. Turn the APU on. Okay, so you can turn off the hydraulics. All of these APU bleeds can come off. We'll use ground power actually. Yeah, we got ground power. Okay, so we are just going to turn off the bus. This is called the bus. So it's called the APU bus. I'm just gonna go that side. Yes, there you go. There you go. Stable signs can go off. It's already off. But the battery is on the battery. Most of the things are trying to shut down. You can't really do anything right now. So the last thing you do is just check these. You just turn these off. All of these. Anti-ice is off, 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 off. Standby power is off. So lighting goes off. And the last thing we need to do is switch off our ground power, which will get everything off of here. So we can check the crossfeed valve right now. Then that's basically it. So you just want to turn off the APU. Last thing is just to turn off the ground power. The whole aircraft is shut down. Everything will work, but you can literally just pull up the reversers, put it up to full power, nothing will happen. Really. Flap, speed brake, the rudder, these control wheels, and we can actually release the parking brake right now because it won't do anything, or just keep it, I guess. All of these components are off, so we'll go outside the cockpit right now. But I'll just go right outside the cockpit. Wait, actually, we can open the doors. That'll be fun. I don't think you've ever seen a door being opened here. So this is just to pull that handle. That's off. Okay, never mind. You're gonna open that one just for fun, I guess. And we'll go all the way back to the emergency exit gates. There you go. Those are the emergency exit row. which of course has these red has that sign on it, which I'll show you. But I'll just show it first before I just open that door. That one, you can actually get out of here if you want to. We're on the wing, guys, but no need of that crap. We'll just open that. Also, whoa, okay, it just flew. And the last thing we need to do is open the last door. So let's go. Let's go to the back galley. You have to tune it backwards, so that is open. We can see other stands right now. I'll actually show you the cabin crew controls, so you can't really see it that well. But yep. I don't know how. I I thought you can, but I guess not. To open the slide, that'd be really fun, actually. And to, I guess you want to see the other thing was we're just gonna go out of the bridge view, so it's easier for us to get security. How to coastal from the outside, so you could do this, but it doesn't work. So you have to pull that handle out. So just pull it, and there you go. You can also actually. I thought you could open it. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. Other than I can show you wait, can you open the other stuff in here? Like the baggage and all that stuff? Wait, I'll just actually quickly go to the baggage thing. Where do even baggage stays? I have no idea. I'm so lost. I have no idea where the baggage actually stays. I thought it was under the plane or something. Oh, it's right there. So I thought you could open it, but I guess I was wrong and dumb because I don't think you can. We'll just good. Okay, I'm in the floor literally, and I'm seeing this, and it reminds me of something. I don't know what it is, but I'll just go forward actually. And turn back. Okay, there it is. Oh yeah, there you go. You can open it. There you go. There's where the 737's thing is actually located. So, those. Why am I even grabbing that? I don't know. Let's enter the baggage area, right? Of course, right? We have to. Okay, just never mind. So I'll go back to the cockpit. And that's pretty much it for this video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss another video of my channel when it's posted. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.